Hey everyone, it's Neil, and I've got myself this here. These are Pike Trail, and they are leg gaiters. So I'm going on a, just say something with no string maybe, but I'm going on a biking safari, and so because we'll be biking and it'll be a little bit warmish, so I'm going to wear shorts instead of long pants. But I got these to keep my legs safe when I'm going through the brush, so I don't get stickers all over me. So let's check these things out and see how they are. I got ones that are fairly lightweight, but I think it's got a little bit of heft to it. Hopefully they're not too plasticky and make me sweat. But let's see what they look like here. So, oops, they're falling all over. So, what is it? They give you a sticker and important instructions. So I guess I'll have to scan that at some point and read my important instructions. But let's take a look at these. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. And it's got the strap to go under your shoe, and it's got a little bit of bungee here, and then it's got the cinching version up top, so hold it in with a bungee as well. So let's see what how these things are. I don't have my biking shoes, but whatever. Let's see. So if I go on to do it, I can open them up all the way, which is nice to be able to do. So then I can Velcro it back on, snap it on to the tightest one, and this, oh, you can't even see. Yeah, so this is what I've done here. So I've snapped it on. It'll go around my shoes there. I can cinch this up tighter if I need to. And then this here tightened up around my calf. So everything down there, so as I'm biking, it's going to stay on. So that's pretty cool. And then it's got a little bit of bungee on here, bungee there. So I'll be good to go. And hopefully this will keep all the brush off my legs. Not sure if I got a particular size. Do they come in sizes? If they do, I probably got a size that was too big for me. Well, maybe not. So that's just the way they work. So very cool little things. This will be nice. Keep my legs nice and sticker free. I should have used these when I had the puppies around the house because they were scratching all over me. So very cool. So I like these. They seem to fit good. I mean, they'll fit people with huge legs. My legs aren't that big, but I like the way it has that little bungee at the top, so that'll keep the over your calf, so it'll keep them up, so you don't have to keep pulling them up. And it's got a little bit of structure to it as well, so that's kind of nice. So it's just not going to fall down. So, and it's got a little very thick nylon kind of base here. It's a little bit breathable, but I wouldn't say terribly. But so that'll keep all the junk off my legs. So very cool. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.